Good morning. We are going to talk about placing blocks and how to remove them or change their color. So I'm in the process of modifying all the tutorial videos and updating them. So press tab, you've got the new menu here, you press that little tile icon and here you go. So if you want to place a default white block, you just click on the white one, click and hold, or just click. If you want to put some glass on the ground. You want to put some color, you've got to click on the color and then click on the texture you'd like. Sweet, there you go. Placing it just across, put across. Alright, so now say you want to edit the color of it. So if I go edit, change this color, I want to change that blue to a purple, deep purple, if that's what it's called. Okay, click on this. I've got my deep purple right there, and then I decide to click on this one. So now I've got purple waves or whatever it is. Alright, I decided I don't like this one, so what I can do is press tab, go for the black, this one, and what I do is I'll press control, click, and there we go, it just changed it. So control actually is really useful, control and click, because it avoids you deleting and replacing it. Talking about delete, what you have to do is just select whatever cube you want and then press shift, hold shift, and there we go, we're deleting blocks. There we go. So that's what it is for changing colors. How about we go with changing the texture? So I'll press escape to get my mouse. I'm gonna go to my Magica folder. Magica. It's not there. Surely. There we go, right there. I've got wood. So what I'll do is I'll go up there. I've got my fancy wood and move it to that cube there. And as you can see, it instantly changed that texture to the wooden one. But I'll refresh just in case to make sure that it stays there and that it is stuck. Sweet. So now we've got a wooden texture. So if I press tab, tiles, I've got my wooden texture right there. So what it is, that's all it is for blocks and placing blocks, changing textures and changing colors. I hope you guys have fun.